So you're a brand and you want to leverage WeChat to communicate among Chinese potential consumer, right? This video is for you. I will give you all the tips that you need to do to perform on WeChat. Number one, you need to create an official WeChat account because in China, trust is very important. So if you are an official brand, you need to have a certified WeChat account. It can be basic, but Chinese people really care about certified brand. The number two, you need to have a menu, right? The menu that explain about your history, about your product, about your company, about everything. And what we like to do, it's like we like to introduce them in the very nice way with HTML5 to have something very interactive, very nice. When you have this, you need to focus after on your content. WeChat account, it's allow you brands to provide content. And the content on WeChat are long, they are like blog posts. It's about words, it's about infograph, it's about long content when the people want to know more information and they will spend time to read about you. So it's vital, the content for branding, it's the base of any WeChat marketing strategy. And after when you have all of this, what do you need? It's visibility and exposure. And we know that that's where most of brands struggling, because it's extremely hard to drive traffic to your WeChat, extremely hard. Or it's not really hard, but it costs a lot of money if you use advertising. So all the way to leverage it is, it's extremely inefficient. So we use WeChat as a kind of a website at the bottom of the funnel. So you need to bring all the potential customer, all your potential partners, all your potential agent to the WeChat store to have information, and then you can sensitive them. So WeChat for branding is not good for exposure, but it's good for engagement, to let them memorize your brand. WeChat is not the main thing for branding. No, it's not. It's not something to let more people know you. It's to the people that know you, they will memorize you. They will get information about you. They can really understand deeper, because in the West, you use website to have brand information, right? You can use media, or it's basically how you get information about brands. But Chinese people, they will use your WeChat account to know more about you, and they expect to find all the information about you and to have a kind of like a brand spirit, a brand lifestyle inside of WeChat, a spirit, just to know who you are, what kind of brand you are, what kind of product you are doing. So that's what we advise to all our customers. Don't bet everything on WeChat, no. But WeChat is a great tool for sensitive your potential clients. When you have followers, when you have a community, when you work hard with 6 months or 1 year, then you can start to develop things on WeChat. Then you can think about open a WeChat shop to sell your product. Then you can develop any mini program to let users discover special functionality, special features. Don't develop these things too early, because it's extremely hard to get followers. It takes time. It's long time work. And only after you have this base, you know them, they know you understand their main problem, you understand what they want. Later you can focus about some cool features or mini program or something that they want to know. So I hope that you enjoy this video. If you want more information, contact us. We're happy to give you this information. We have also a lot of reports about WeChat, WeChat advertising, WeChat how it works, with a lot of tips and case study. It's available and it's free, guys. Just need to give the email and you will get it for free. And I would appreciate all the like and comment about you. We have also a lot of WeChat groups for ourselves where we exchange information. Just give us the WeChat idea in the comments and we'll be happy to invite you to the right groups, because we have different groups by industry. Just tell me like who you are, your name, your WeChat ID, and which industry you are, and we'll be happy to add you in this group. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.